Hi, this is Baiju coming from Down our last night. I have CEO of ThreatLocker with me, Danny.
Thank you.
Yeah, nice to meet you. I've seen some of your talks, so I want you to tell what does ThreatLocker do for our customers.
So essentially, we're protecting you from the unknown threat. So rather than trying to block every bad thing in the world, we're going to block everything that's not needed in your environment. We're going to continue to let all the good stuff run. Everything else, we don't care if it's good or bad, it's going to get blocked. This means if unknown malware comes out, 0 days, ransomware, cyber attacks you haven't even thought about, they're going to get blocked by default.
So I know a lot of times our customers say like ThreatLocker links things and they can't update. Tell our customers why even though it might be annoying, it's very helpful.
Yeah. So the reality is 99.9% of stuff we're going to track the updates. We're not going to stop that. But now and again, you'll get a strange application, some weird payroll application. It's going to make a change. What you're having now is a brand new file on your computer that you've never seen. Now, if you decide I'm going to allow all new files, that means you're going to allow malware. By having that extra step, your MSP is going to work with you. They're going to make sure that everything's working right, that you're not accidentally putting malware in your computer. And this is the best way to stop ransomware. We look at all these major cyber attacks like MGM happening. They've got some of the best detection technologies in the world, but they're not blocking by default, so they're able to be shut down by ransomware. By having this simple checks and balances, make sure not everything's working. It's going to make sure any bad stuff gets blocked. And now and again, you'll get an update or something, a unique app will get blocked. Majority apps aren't going to cause a problem.
Now, I know you guys are releasing some new products. Can you tell us about those?
Yeah, so we really have a whole platform at the moment. So we've got the protecting you from untrusted software, ring fencing, so you can stop all those apps. Most people don't realize all the apps on their machine can see their data. So we're going to ring fence those apps and make sure that that app made in China can't see all your files. We also have our web control solution, the storage control, so we can stop data exfiltration, we can report on data, we can stop people going to bad websites in the office, malicious websites, phishing websites, things like that. We also have our full MDR and EDR service, which monitors your systems 24 hours a day. We can essentially set up rules to say if something's happening, alert our SOC, they're going to monitor it. And if there's a bad guy in your system, we're going to shut them out. But also we can automatically limit them in milliseconds, which is cool. And the new stuff that's coming out, which is really cool, is we've got something called defense against configuration. Biggest cause of cyber attacks, bad configuration. So now what we're doing is, and we're checking 170 checks on your endpoint every single day. And we're going to tell you where you've got configuration issues. We're going to report it to your MSP. We're going to show why it's important. And the MSP can very easily go in, fix those problems, and they can show you which compliance frameworks you might be breaking if you have to deal with the federal government, CMMC, any healthcare, HIPAA, things like that.
All right. Thank you, Danny.
Thank you. It's really nice to meet you.